we are in basic concepts in geometry. This is video number 2. Exercise 1.1. In that, question number 6, this was remaining that I am completing. So solution is like this. Length xyz. So length xz means x and then last point is z. So xz is equal to length xy plus length yz. Reason is x dash y dash z. It is better to write the reason. Therefore, xz is 3 root 7 is equal to xy is root 7 plus length yz. Therefore, this 1 root 7 I will bring here. This will be 3 root 7, and if I bring it here, it will be minus root 7. It is 1 root 7 is equal to length yz. Now this 3 root 7 minus 1 root 7 is equal to 2 root 7, and therefore length yz is equal to 2 root 7. This will be your answer. I will be making this video in a speed. One question, question number 4, I forgot to take. That question I am taking up. That is one important question. Points. Question 4. A, comma B, comma C are on number line. On number line. If distance AC is equal to 10, distance CB equal to 8, find distance AB. AB with all possibilities. What are the possibilities in this? That first of all we have to see. If suppose it is A dash B dash C. Solution. Number 1 I will find if A dash B dash C. Means it is like this. The figure is like this. Here it is A, here it is C, and here somewhere it is B. So AC, this distance is 10. BC, this distance is 8. Then we have to find AB. Therefore, AB plus BC. I will write distance. Distance AB plus distance BC is equal to distance AC, because it is A dash B dash C. Therefore, distance AB, that I don't know, I have to find. Distance AB plus distance BC. BC is how much? 8. CB or BC, it is one and the same, is equal to distance AC. Distance AC is how much? 10. Therefore, distance AB is equal to 10 minus 8, and therefore distance AB is equal to 2. This is one case. Case number 2. When the C is in between, if A dash C dash B, then the figure will be like this. A, here C, and here B. AC is how much? 10. BC is how much? 8. BC or CB is one and the same. Then distance AC plus distance CB is equal to distance AC. Therefore, distance AC, what I have written, AC plus CB is equal to distance AB. Therefore, distance AC is how much? See that distance AC is 10 plus CB is 8 is equal to distance AB. Therefore, distance AB equal to 18. These are the two cases we have seen. If A is in between, if it is like this A is in between, here B, here C and here B. Then AC is how much given? AC is given to be 10. AB is how much? CB, C to B. This is 8. This is not possible. This is 10 and this is 8. This is not possible. So, these two cases we have studied and these will be your answers. So, this is all in this video. In the next video, we will consider exercise 1.2 because this storage problem is there.